Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's been long I have spoken to you guys, and today I'm here to talk about monsoon must-haves. In Siliguri, monsoon is a season when we face a huge amount of humidity and moisture, and it is really hard to dry up our clothes so quickly, and also it is hard to going out sometimes. Making the monsoon more easier and making our lives more simple, we just need some simple things, and those things can definitely make our monsoon easier and also stylish. Well, so first on my list is raincoat. There is no doubt that raincoat can give us strong protection during heavy rain. And in modern days, there are different kinds of raincoats are available, and those raincoats can definitely make us look chic and fashionable. For this monsoon, I recommend see-through raincoats. Those raincoats don't hide your outfit and look trendy. Also, I've seen colorful and printed raincoats available in the market too. And if you want to add some color in a look on a rainy day, should go for this. The next one on my list is classic monsoon accessories. Yes, an umbrella. I still remember when I was a kid, I used to count umbrellas sitting by the windows on rainy days. I used to enjoy the colors and design on it. And even today, I feel umbrellas are a high-class, maintained fashion in the monsoon. Now, let's talk about waterproof handbags. A day when it is raining cats and dogs outside, and we have to go out anyway for any event or shopping or anything, and we also have to carry our stuff, so we need handbags. Believe me, there are beautiful and trendy waterproof handbags are available in the market, and they are enough to fulfill the needs of work and fashion together. Next on my list is makeup. I personally love doing makeup no matter what the season is. And I know people sitting on the other side also agree with me, and many of you also love doing so. This love for makeup sometimes creates the fear of smudged eyeliner or patchy foundation, especially during the season of monsoon. But my lovelies, I am now worry-free because the brand like My Glam has already introduced a vast range of waterproof makeup. Their products are skin friendly and very much pigmented too. It blends quickly and it also gives natural shine on face. I have shared their link in the description box below. You can go and check and also buy from there. At number 5, my monsoon fashion must-have is flip-flops. I like to wear flip-flops even on a non-rainy day. And when it is monsoon, flip-flops are my go-to. It lets my feet breathe and dry quickly, which helps to avoid fungal infection. The last but not the least on my list of my fashion must-have is light clothing. Light clothing is a kind of clothing that doesn't absorb water much and dries quickly. For example, light cotton wears. So now this kind of wears get dry quickly and don't spread the chillness in our body. So guys, enjoy this monsoon with fashion. Wear lightweight clothes, take care of your health, and make this monsoon shiner and brighter. So bye for now, see you guys soon.